So this is the scruffy old Uniden 100 which we did the recap on. In other words, changing all the capacitors for the highest grade industrial Nichicon ones that are available on the market and bought in from RS Components, so we are assured of the genuineness and the quality. And I did this because I thought it was a load of bull that changing the capacitors made any difference. Now these sets, as people know, have got two 220 microfarad capacitors that always need changing when you even see one of these sets. Now they're 38 years old. So having changed those, one of the 470 microfarad electrolytics needed changing, so changed it. And unusually a little 0.471 needed changing, but it was obvious and we changed it. Then we tuned the radio up, having done the remedial repairs on it, and we got good results. Then I recapped it, and I thought it was a total waste of time and money, and believe me, it's made a huge difference on receive. And if you've looked at the repair video, I suggest you do so. So Mr. Chippie might well be out there. I haven't screwed this together because the meter doesn't work on it. I might see if we've got one in a scrap bin somewhere, but that'll be not today. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Okay, talking to you on the Uniden 100, which doesn't have a meter that works.
Roger that. Right, we just come up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. At least it's got a TX light.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger. Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. You'll soon be over the hill.
Not as much as you.
Ha 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 ha. Good workshop banter.
And 21 from Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner. And that's loud and clear, and I'm doing a full 4 watts.
Roger that. Alright, we're now going over Wilford level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. And 21 from Chippie. We're now going over Rawsby level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you. That's been very satisfactory. Right, well, I say I go to the foot of our stairs and we don't have any. It's a bungalow.
Yeah, I didn't quite get your last Tango.
Probably not. You're going past the petrol station. Yeah, 1010.
Roger that, 10.
Yeah, so it did make a big difference, and what can I say? But I think it's not that. I think what's happened here is in changing those capacitors to the quality we've changed them to, we've now made the radio better than when it was new. Because I always saw the Uniden chassis as being deafer than some of the others. So it actually makes you start to think, because if it's a Uniden set, so they're the only ones I've had to change capacitors in. We've now got to the stage where there's those two 220s, there's the 470, but I changed them both. And then today on this set, which is out of the scrap bin, don't get me wrong, it's not somebody's pride and joy. I changed that 0.47 because I needed to, because it was obvious that it was distressed, and it was, it read as open circuit. So we did those. So there's 22 electrolytic capacitors in these. So I changed 5 in this because I needed to. But the others, I didn't need to, and they weren't faulty when I tested them. And that tells me that what we've done is to lower the noise. That's why we're getting that 20 decibel cyanide reading so much better than before. It's lowering the noise, that's what it's done. And in lowering the noise, we're getting better sensitivity. So that was a fantastic test. I've never had that out of a Uniden before. And there you go. So I say, I take my words back because I thought it was a load of bull. I really did. But it's not that, I say, it's not a matter of the fact that the capacitors were failing. It's a matter of fact that we've put better quality ones in, I'm absolutely sure. So we'll go to our base station. No doubt it sounds just as bassy and horrible as they usually do.
Tango 21, testing the Uniden 100 that we did the recap experiment with. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.